So
ওই বুশ করে না, বুশ অন্য বুশ করছে।
okay, which one is left? 4, 5. What about
4 is
1,
done,
2?
sir. 4 again done. 3 are done.
1 is done.
1
right?
is done. Yes, sir. 2 is
2,
done.
3.
Done. 3 are done.
ফারহান 4টা তো মনে হয় নাই, এই যে এটা তো মনে হয় নাই, দেখো 3টা হয় নাই, 3টা হয় নাই, এটা হইছে স্যার।
বাদ দিয়ে গেছি আমরা।
3টা তো বাদ দিছি, স্যার বলছিল যে পরে দেখাবে, এটা একটু ডিফিকাল্ট কোশ্চেন।
3 we did. 3 we did. 3 we did because it is the area under the graph, right?
Yes, sir. তো এটাই তো বললাম আমি, স্যার 3 করলাম করছি।
Yeah, we did that. You just take the recording, then you'll understand. It is done. Then 4.
তুমি ভুলে গেছি।
4 done, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 5.
5 are done.
5 also done. Then 6.
So done.
Then 7.
7 are done.
Oh no. 7 I gave you homework to try. 7.
না স্যার 7 তো করে দিছিলেন না?
No. 7 is left. We did.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we did 6. Then we did 9. Then we did 10.
Yeah.
Then we did 11. In our last class, we had 2 meetings. In first meeting, we did 11. Then after that, we started this, but we couldn't finish this one in the first meeting. In the second meeting, we did 15. Then we did 18. Okay. Then we did which one? It's not written in your copy. Hello. This working is not in their copy, in your copy. 24 also we did, right? You can take the recording, then you'll get it. You also took part in discussion with 24, right? Hello. And the other questions I told you to try. We had only some of the questions left. I told you to try them. So, did you try 7 and 8? Farhan?
Yes, sir. Sir, 7 and 8 টা করছি আমরা।
No.
করা হয় না এটা।
7 we did not do. After 6 we did 9. 9, 10, 11 we did.
স্যার 7টা হলো মানে আমি আন্দাজ করে স্যার বলতেছি হলো বি অথবা কি বলবো।
Listen,
স্যার এটা স্যার পারি নাই।
This type of word or like statement, does it valid? Is it valid statement?
No, sir.
Like I guess or I gave this.
এটা তো স্যার পারি নাই স্যার, কিন্তু স্যার গেস করতেছি।
But I just guessed. There is no use of guessing here. You just tried, and you can be wrong or you can be right. That's not a big deal. But you tried with the ideas you got in projectile motion. That is the main point. So in projectile motion, you got the formula. You should have in your trying, isn't it? And I told you, I gave you the clues that 2 conditions for projectile motion. The first one should be used for 7, and second condition should be used for 8. This clue I gave you in last class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So accordingly, you should try. I
First one টা ছিল স্যার মানে কিছু হরাইজন্টালি থ্রো করলে কি হবে? মানে যেমন সাইকেল
yes,
মানে ওই
yes.
সাইকেলটা যেভাবে পড়তেছে।
If you speak in English, then I can also learn good English from you, right?
কি কি বলেন আপনি? আয় হায়।
Yes, because your English is awesome, Farhan.
উফ উফ উফ।
I really appreciate your English.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you for your kind words.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So and Ahsan is
Thank you,
also
sir.
international student. He is from abroad, right, Ahsan?
কোন জায়গা থেকে আসেন? From where do you belong?
Yes, sir.
So your
KSA.
your your effort will help also. If you talk in English, then we can explain in English. The recording will be international, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So you try it. Then
Oh,
we have look here some information given. One is 2 meter height,
yes, sir.
and this 2 meter, this cyclist, if like he is not in any speed before, like if he is not in any speed, just falling, if something is falling, then he will directly fall here, right? Isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Like you are dropping any stone, uh, like that one, he will just straight go down, right? If
Yes,
he
sir.
has some speed already have while he is riding the bicycle, then he will not fall here straight, he will go a little bit forward, right? And it is shown
Yes,
it
sir.
is 6 meter. So why it is happening? Because when the cyclist is moving forward with one speed, this speed has one uh, vertical component and also one horizontal component, right?
Okay.
And this vertical component will vary. Like at the beginning here, the vertical component is 0, but when he is coming here, then due to the gravitational force is falling down, right? So his vertical
Yes,
component
sir.
is increasing. But his horizontal component will remain constant for the
Yes, sir.
whole, whole journey. So uh, this information will help us a lot. Hmm. And another thing, today you are getting notes. Please write on your. You have the worksheet printed, right, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
So when you are having the discussion, you should take the information as much as possible.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So the first information I told that when the cyclist is going with a speed, initial speed, that time this initial speed has one vertical component and one horizontal component, right?
Horizontal component. Yes, sir.
So you write this information. This V has one horizontal
Assalamu
component,
alaikum,
one vertical component. Okay. As he is falling down, uh, as he is falling down, the vertical component increases from 0. Okay, it was 0 at the beginning. Initially the vertical component is 0 here, right?
Yes, sir.
Like the object is dropped and the initial velocity is 0. Same way, its vertical component is 0 at the beginning. As it's going down, the vertical component increases due to gravity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have here time, right? How much time is taken to reach the ground? Uh, I told you that today you will know one very important information, that is, if you drop any object from here, the time it takes to reach the ground, the same time it will be taken if you are going in this path also, right? If you have any speed and you are going straight this way, or you are throwing any stone, the same time will be taken. Okay, this is very important information for you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This clue we will use. Okay, that's why I gave you. So we are trying to get the time first. Like if you know this time, if you know this time, then you can also find the, they are asking us what is the horizontal velocity v of the cyclist at the end of the higher track, isn't it? So if you know the time taken, then you can find the final velocity,
Okay.
or the horizontal velocity. What is the velocity at the end? We can find it. So we try it, huh? We try it. Then if you uh, get this answer at the time, then we'll use this time to get the horizontal velocity v. So what should be the formula? Get it time. If you drop any object, yesterday also we did, right? Can you remember one
Day before
question?
yesterday.
The question related to the well. You are uh, dropping any stone to reach the uh, water level of the well. Do you remember that question? We did that. Hello, question number 15. We use that formula h equals half dt square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one. This one, right? We did. So why we use this formula to get the time, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So same way here we will get the time. So what was the formula? You remember? Can you write here? Hmm?
লিখবো আমি স্যার আমাকে দেন তাহলে
Yeah, you write on your copy and tell me. Here in your copy, you write here. T equals time to reach the ground. T equals root over,
Yes.
right? Root over
Yes, sir.
2h by g.
Okay.
Hassan, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Please write the formula quickly.
Yes, sir.
So, and after finding the time, tell me what is the time you got.
স্যার ফর্মুলাটা আরেকবার একটু বলুন তো স্যার কাইন্ডলি
You write h equals half gt square. H equals
E
half
equals
h.
8
Yes, h is height.
yes sir
H equals half dt square. So you have to find t. Then if you make the subject what it comes, t equals root over 2h
1
by
second, sir.
g.
Let me tell you the answer directly.
Yeah.
So 0.72. Sorry, 78.
0.78. What about Hassan? Hassan, what you got?
স্যার আমি পাইতেছিল স্যার 7.8 কেন জানি না
You got 7.8. So
I don't know, sir,
what is the value of your h?
Sir, h is 2.
Oh, very good. Then what is the value of your g?
Sir, sorry, sir.
G. What is the value of g?
Sir, g.
Yes.
G is 9.81.
So if you put 9.81 and 2, it's coming this way, 7.8. How you did? You write a t equals root over 2h by g. And when you are giving the root over, you give bracket. Otherwise,
Sir, can you repeat it?
when
H
you
equals half GT square.
H equals to half g square.
GT square, time, gravitational field into time square.
Half. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে. Okay.
you know this formula, right? S equals ut plus
Half at square.
half at square. That formula we are using here.
Yes, sir.
Now we did some questions already. That's why we are going directly with that formula. So here this part is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we are dropping the and this part we are saying 8. For S we are saying 8. Then
H.
half A is our D. Then t square already we have t square. Then
G.
if you rearrange, it comes t equals root over, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Root over.
Root over. That means it will come 2h by g half, right? Power is half. It is root over, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you write this way, then your answer, what is coming? Please tell me again, because your
Okay, sir.
answer is not correct. Give bracket, then you give root over.
Sir,
H.
বলবো আমি?
Like me, you give bracket. Here you give root over, then give bracket. Then it will come accurately. Okay.
Two into 4.
2 into 2. Why you are saying 2 into 4?
Yes, sir.
Why you are saying 2 into 4? It's 2 into 2.
Yes, sir. 2 into 2. It is at 4. 4 divided by
9.81. Then bracket, give bracket, then is square root.
I'm doing, sir. Sir, 0.6.
0.6 after that,
Sir,
after 6, no digit.
0.64.
So why you are omitting 4? At least you give two significant figures, right? 4 is not a
Yes, sir.
small value here. 0.64 second. So Farhan, what you got now?
Sir, 0.64.
So what was the mistake before?
তো ওই একটা জায়গায় একটু সমস্যা করে ফেলেছিলাম স্যার।
Which place? You did not give bracket.
ও স্যার হাইটে 2 এর জায়গায় 3 লিখে ফেলেছিলাম ভুল করে।
Oh. So you got time, right?
Yes sir. I
Now,
got it correct.
Yes, sir.
now after getting the time, you should know the one I said that that is your initial velocity, horizontal component ux, right?
Yes sir.
And vertical
Yes, sir.
component is uy, right? Vertical component is uy,
UI.
and horizontal component
Y.
is ux.
I. Sorry, UX.
Okay,
UX.
so
Yes sir.
this one, if you go to your notes, you will get a nice information over there, which will help you to get the idea what to do here. I told you to go through the notes. It's important, very important to learn the notes, because all our ideas are coming from notes, right?
অবশ্যই স্যার।
And the more you will revise, it's not uh,
Not hard.
not practical that it will come always in your mind quickly. But if you practice, if you see regularly, and if you go through it several times, then it will come automatically. It will come, like to eat food, or to go to washroom, or to daily works. Now sometimes you do not need to pay that much attention, but we are doing those work, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
uh, this way, if you are going to your this notes again and again, then it will be also familiar with you. Okay, it will not be a great deal for you that time. So look here. Now what is happening? You are scared, right? When you see the question cyclist is going down, then you see the diagram and you are thinking, what is this? Maybe very tough question. That time you scared, then you give up, isn't it? Farhan? Farhan?
Yes sir, sorry, মাইক্রোফোন অফ হওয়ার পরে আর অন করিনি।
Okay, did you hear me?
Yes sir, I heard you. I've heard you.
Yeah, yeah. So do you agree with me?
অবশ্যই স্যার, আপনি বলবেন আমি এগ্রি করব না।
Okay, so look here.
অন্ধবিশ্বাসী।
Yeah, look here. This one was the projectile motion when the object is thrown in a horizontal direction, right?
Yes sir.
The one
আমার
we
স্যার খেয়াল আছে এগুলো, আপনি লাস্ট ক্লাসে দেখাইছিলেন।
yeah, the one we are doing now. So we have the initial component,
Yes.
horizontal component ux equals ux, and the vertical component, it is 0 at the beginning.
Okay.
After some time, for example, time is t, after some time t, the vertical component is velocity. You see, vertical component is increasing. It was 0 before. Now you have some value here, vy equals dt, right? And the horizontal component remains same for the entire journey.
Okay.
Okay, the horizontal component is still vx equals ux. The horizontal component ux always remains constant because it's not affected by the gravity. Only the
Okay.
vertical component is affected by the gravity.
Affected.
That's why at the beginning it was 0. Now after time t it is gt.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
And same way we have displacement. The horizontal displacement we have x equals, formula is same, s equals u2 plus half it square. The same formula we are applying for horizontal component is coming x equals uxt. Here g is 0, right? For
Yes,
horizontal
sir.
one, I said that for horizontal one, it's not affected by the gravity. That's why here g is 0, right? That's
Okay,
why
sir.
the second part is omitted for horizontal component. For the vertical displacement, we have half gt square. Already we
Okay.
said that uy equals 0. That's why, right? So this part you should have in your mind always. You should
Okay.
remember it easily, and then you can apply. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
let us go to our question. In this question, we got this information that 0.64 second is taken to reach the ground, right? It is either vertically or like this projectile motion one, both, right?
Yes, sir.
Time will be taken same. Now, we got just now one formula, that is x equals uxt, right?
Yes.
And we got another thing that for the entire journey, the horizontal component will be same. The velocity horizontal component will be same. So what is the horizontal velocity v of the cyclist at the end of the higher track? To get that, we should use that formula uxt. X equals uxt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will have it. You will write it. You also write uh, here vx equals ux. Okay, because I'm also writing the explanation, huh? So that it will be not a problem for you to understand later. Vx equals ex because horizontal component of velocity is not affected by gravity. Okay, ux equals vx, right? So
Yes, sir.
this one we can now write x equals uxt, right? Uxt. So this t already we got, right? 0.64. This x equals uxt is horizontal displacement, right?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal displacement. I'm writing so that you are not confused. Horizontal displacement uh, is x equals uxt, and that one we can write also vxt, right? Vxt.
Yes, sir.
At the end also same. It's vxt, okay, not v cross t. Vxt, uxt, okay. Then we can rearrange the formula. We are going to find vx, right? Vx equals x by t, right? X by t.
Yes, sir.
We can write. So x is our horizontal displacement. It is given. Time we calculated. it is 6 by 0.64, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you write 6 by 0.64
0.64.
equals what is coming?
$9.375.
So if it is two significant figures, then you can write 9.4, right?
B, sir, answer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you get similar question, we expect you to do that one confidently. Okay.
Inshallah, sir.
Inshallah. So Farhan,
Yes,
can
sir.
you send it? Send it to our group. This picture.
Sure, sir. Obviously, I can send it. Sir, how is your big brother, Mr. Mujib, sir?
Mujib sir, yesterday or today morning I talked to him. Today morning
You interacted with him?
I talked to him. He's good. He's fine.
আমাকে
who,
জিজ্ঞেস
sir?
টিজ্ঞেস
Moin,
করলো
sir.
নাকি স্যার?
Sorry?
Sir, Moin, sir.
No, Mr. Mujib, maths teacher.
Oh.
Okay, so this question is done, right? 7.
Yes,
Question
sir.
7 is done, and now I'm giving you a chance to try question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 is second condition, right?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
the
sir.
projectile is thrown at an angle. So read it. Farhan, read the question, please.
An astronaut on the moon where there is no air resistance throws a ball. The ball's initial velocity has a vertical component of 8 meters per second and a horizontal component of 4 meters per second as shown. The acceleration of free fall on the moon is 1.62 meters per second square. What will be the speed of the ball 9 seconds after being thrown?
Yes. So here we have moon, right?
Yes, sir.
Gravitational field strength is given 1.62. So you have two components, 8 meter per second and 4 meter per second. Now my question is, if we are throwing this object upwards, throwing the ball upwards with an angle, then what will be happening to horizontal component and what will be happening to vertical component? Can you please tell me? Hello? The horizontal component 4 meter per second will remain constant for the entire journey, right?
Yes, sir.
And the vertical component will gradually decrease till to the maximum height. Like when the ball will reach here, that time the vertical component, it will be 0.
Okay.
Is it clear? Then
Yes,
again,
sir.
while it is returning back, then again the vertical component increases. Okay.
Okay.
So this ball is taking some time to reach this maximum height, and
Okay.
when it is reaching this maximum height, after that time the final velocity is 0, and we have total time 9 seconds given, right? So if you subtract that time,
No.
the time to reach maximum height from 9 seconds, then you will get rest time to reach the speed, right? this speed, because they are asking about after 9 seconds what happens, what will be the
Okay.
speed, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
time we have to find, and after getting this time, we can simply find the final speed. Okay, so
Okay.
we will have it try after the break, 10 minutes break. Okay, you come back after 10 minutes. I just gave you the idea. If you have free time now, you can try also. Otherwise, after break, we will discuss. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we will start at 9:20, 9:22. Okay.
Yes, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir. Have a good time.